What's up, guys? Today I had two phones with a broken charging pins inside the port, and I already removed one from iPhone 11 and it's charging fine now. I had another one, iPhone 12, so I thought I should make a video and show you how you can extract it without damaging the phone. So the best way is all you need is a glue stick. You can find it easily. It's a small glue gun to fix plastic things. And the second thing you need is a lighter. Okay, and it's very simple procedure, but you have to follow the instructions to make it a successful. Okay, so all you have to do is just heat up the glue stick. Make sure you're spinning it slowly. When you're heating it up, basically you need to heat up this end. And don't let it drip. And once you see the smoke coming out, you put it on top of the thing and press it down. And when you press it down, hold it for a few seconds. Don't let it go. You can blow it a bit to cool it down. Once it cools down, it becomes harder. You can check it, it's still soft. As you can see, it's sticking to my finger. So just wait a couple minutes and keep holding it down and with a slight pressure on it. And you have to wait until it dries completely. It's still hot. So it's okay to wait a little bit extra because you gotta make sure it dries completely. And now it's kind of not sticking to my finger, as you can see. So you hold on to phone tightly, don't let it move, and pull the stick upward. And there you go. As you can see, the pin comes out without damaging the port. And I was charging the phone with wireless charger. Now I can use the charging thing as well. So it's a very cool idea, very safe, and you can try it as well if you have a broken charging pin in any phone, iPhone 16, 15, 14, any series, or even on Samsung phones. See, it's holding it very tight. It doesn't want to come out here. So thank you very much for watching. If it helps, please leave me in the comment. It was helpful. And if it works for you, let me know. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in next video.